Kawatse Helpa. My name is Joshua. I am a Prevention Health Promotion Specialist with the Pueblo of Acoma Health and Human Service Division. I hope you are all safe and your families are doing well. Today I have a special guest, my daughter Ellianna, and she is going to share a recipe that she enjoys making on the hot days that are starting to arrive. It is called Healthy Fresh Fruit Popsicles. Please enjoy. And now to try the finished product. Delicious and cold. We hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow us for more recipes. We'll see you soon. Bye.